is Koku. I'm currently living in Vancouver, Canada, but I'm originally from Japan, and I can say I'm also a world traveler. I've been to 40 countries so far, and I'm planning to go abroad more in the future. I'm a handpan player and also didgeridoo player, and I'm also DJing for exotic dance. 98% or 99% people they want just peaceful, like they want peace and peaceful world. So since then, I wanna give back the something kindly because we need to support each other. So even I keep traveling, I leave Canada one day, but it means okay, I can help more people over the world, and hopefully mainly through music, but also physical health or anything. So I'd like to support people as much as I can. My message as an artist from me to you is having fun is very strong energy. Sometimes I'm feeling low and I don't want to do anything, and sometimes it's signs to take rest, and I'm following that sometimes, but sometimes it's a sign you have to get out somewhere, and having fun is always a key for me, and doing music is only to have fun for me, and yeah, when you feel low, you might need to take rest, but also you have to have fun. So let's have fun together.